everybody. So, good to see you. Well, this is my first quarter meeting my artist for Eritrea, and I just want to, I want to thank you guys for being here. Much love and respect. And where are we? Where are we at? As artists for Eritrea. That's one of the questions. And when it comes to music, lyrics, melody, vocals, musicians, studio, production, copyright, music video, mastering, distribution. Basically, is it the Belkosi? Where are we at? This is where we at. Lyrics, melody, vocalist, musician, studio, production, copyrights, music video, mastering, and distribution. We're going to discuss about that. The platform na artists for Eritrea generations where are we at? And then collaborate amongst each other. Collaborate. So before, where are we at? The platform to set already. Okay, so collaborate amongst each other. Then the artist for Eritrea is there. Communication, number one priority. If we don't communicate, we're not going to say. So we have to communicate to platform to get a law on WhatsApp. Every platform in every sector of art. That goes with fashion, not just music, not just lyrics. Everything is there. So outline gerna. So and then how do we step into the world of stage? Okay, the way we can do it is to present natna culture, natna bahali, and natna zema, natna poetry. That's one way to get ourselves in the world stage. So we have to promote each other. We have to find a way, all the outlets, platform basically. So we have a way to bring that talent together and coordinate amongst each other. So I think we have to find a way, those missing links that we're supposed to be connecting the dots, which is communication and having everyone together and as a unit working, whether it's with music, whether it's production, whether it's studio time, everything has. So when we do this, we have to do it collaboratively, all of us together in different sectors. Even me, I'm a musician. I'm gonna need someone to do something for me if I need like wardrobe. So we have we have it. Everything is within the platform that we have created as far as the music and production goes. Music and production is very it goes a long way. It's a sheet of things that we need to analyze and we need to really understand and what it is that it's doing amongst artists, not just us, just artists around the world. Music and production, it inquires a lot of things. So we have it within Artists for Eritrea. So my other thing is, what is our market? Not market, we already okay. We are who we are. We are Eritrean. We are the market ourselves. We are a brand. That's the market. That's who we are. So what is our market? We have to create our market that what it is already, the lowest, we have to make it even better than what we have to stand out. So do we have good distribution? Is another thing. When it comes to music and production, we have to have good distribution. Distribution doesn't mean somebody hamzi sab shit no. Everything is digital. Everything distribution تغيري. Nobody is CD anymore. Basically, I haven't seen anybody selling CDs. Everything is on digital world. So our distribution is our Artists for Eritrea platform. Is our digital platform like CD Baby, iTunes, all these little entities that we have access to those distribution platform. So that's another thing we need to be mindful. Can distribution. I mean, the production, when you make your music, you can I get a hanti content? Can I get a host? Can I get a mask sedans nisabsi? How am I gonna get it out there to the masses, not just to 10 people? So what we need to do is figure out a way. What other platforms are there? Digital distribution. That's the keyword. I want you guys to really think about that. Digital distribution is taken over pretty much in the world. I mean, it's good to have content on a CD or DVD, but it's not going to move. So things are different now. Okay. So, and then copyright. So are we protected? Copyright is very important, especially the law. They're not protected with their copyright. They need to understand what copyright really means. Ketkap Studio Yerkasi, SoundCloud, CD Baby, or iTunes or CD, anything. You can put anything out. Again, protection al-Kadi. That's another thing. The Harkin Azara Rabulina, Rahel, Feven, and even Awit. Awit is knowledgeable about that too. So, Eritrean artists, you have to understand publishing and writers. Even if it's in Tigrinya, we're going to get into that and make sure that your art is protected, your poetry is protected. We're just going to give you the platform, the information, the intel, the 411 on how you can protect your content. Okay, that's very, very important. Anybody can be an artist, but are they protected? That's the question. Okay, not challenge. What is our challenge? I know challenge Allah. Everything, everywhere we go in the world, there's a challenge, especially when it comes to music and production. Okay, you can have your content, your production, your culture, your everything that you have is basically sewed in together. So those challenges, really, the way I see it, not honestly challenge. We don't know what challenge. We can overcome any challenge. We know that already. But the challenge that we have now is how can we be more fruitful? That is our challenge. We need to be more fruitful. We need to be more intertwined with this music and art world that we're in right now. In this day and age. Because the thing is, things are moving fast, and it's technology. We need to be within the speed of the technology. So that's basically the little challenge that we have. But when we come together, there is no such thing as a challenge. That's just me, and I know that's you too as well. So it's going to come together. And I just want to say one other thing. Awit is another guy. I'm glad to. I have met some Hadishti board members in here, and we're really going to be doing. And I can't wait to share some new things that are coming up within Artists for Eritrea platform. And thank you. Thanks, Awit. Thank you, everyone.